Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening all. Today's current affairs, that is May 11th current affairs. World Migratory Bird Day observed on 9th May. So actually World Migratory Bird Day celebrated on twice a year ma. That too second Saturday in May month and also in October month. So it was first celebrated in 2006. This year the theme of World Migratory Bird Day is Birds Connect Our World. Birds Connect Our World. International Mother's Day celebrated on 10th May. That too every year falls on second Sunday. Remember that one. Second Sunday of May month. This year it came on 10th May. National Technology Day 11th May. The speciality is its anniversary of Pokhran nuclear test of 1998. So India's technological advancements in space. So this is to highlight the achievements of our scientists and engineers in the field of science and technology. So National Technology Day 11th May. Center sets up a 6-member panel to review production sharing contracts. So the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has set up a 6-member expert committee to review the existing production sharing contracts owing to the fall in crude oil prices and also COVID-19 lockdown. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Dharmendra Pradhan. So MOS independent in charge, constituency Bihar. Government hikes a 2021 market borrowing limit to 12 lakhs crores due to COVID-19. Actually, as per budget, so financial 2021, it was 7.8 lakh crores. So now it is been made at 12 lakh crores. So market borrowing, which can be short term or long term, involves the sale of government securities. Treasury bills are issued into the money markets to help raise short term cash and last only for 90 days, whereupon they are repaid. UN agencies release a commemorative stamp on 40th anniversary of smallpox eradication. The WHO and United Nations Postal Agency have released a commemorative postal stamp on the 40th anniversary of the eradication of smallpox. So WHO headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Director General Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. United Nations Postal Administration headquarters New York, US. India launches Mission Sagar to assist 5 island nations in Eastern India Ocean. So Indian naval ship Kesari has departed for Maldives, Mauritius, Seychelles, Madagascar and Comoros to provide food items. So COVID related medicines including HCQ tablets, hydrochloroquine and special Ayurvedic medicines with medical assistance teams embarked. Bengaluru launches a Pranavayu program. So it is a Pranavayu program to create awareness on need to self-examine respiratory health. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, Capital Bengaluru, Governor Vajubhai Vala. GSK GlaxoSmithKline sells a $3.35 billion stake in Hindustan Lever. So that stake comes to the percentage of 5.7%. GlaxoSmithKline headquarters Brentford, United Kingdom. Chief Executive Officer Emma Walmsley. Hindustan Unilever Limited headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. Chairman and Managing Director Sanjeev Mehta. Mahindra launches a digital car buying platform Own Online to boost sales because of COVID-19 crisis. Mahindra and Mahindra headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. CEO Anand Mahindra. Narinder Batra's term as FIH, that is International Hockey Federation President, extended to May 2021. FIH, that is International Hockey Federation, headquarters Lausanne, Switzerland. President Narinder Batra. CEO Thierry Will. Motto: Fair Play, Friendship Forever. Motto of International Hockey Federation: Fair Play, Friendship Forever. Friendship for ever. Google Cloud appoints Anil Bansali as Vice President Engineering in India. Tamil Nadu forms panel under ex-RBI Governor Rangarajan to advise measures to bring economy back on track. So Prince Harry, Meghan Markle's biography, so Finding Freedom, to be published in August month. National Institute of Virology, Pune, develops a country's first indigenous antibody based testing kit, that is a COVID Kavach ELISA. DRDO lab develops automated UV systems to sanitize electronic gadgets, papers and also currency notes. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, Minister responsible Rajnath Singh, who is Minister of Defense. Chairman Dr. Satish Reddy. Headquarters New Delhi. CSIR approves a project to develop HMABS, that is human monoclonal antibodies, that can neutralize SARS-CoV-2 in patients. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, President Prime Minister of India, Headquarters New Delhi, Director General Shekhar C. Mande. ICMR, Bharat Biotech ties up for Indian COVID-19 vaccine. The Indian Council for Medical Research, ICMR, announced a research collaboration with a Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech International Limited, BBIL, to develop a COVID-19 vaccine. ICMR Headquarters New Delhi, Secretary and Director General Dr. Balram Bhargava, founded on 1911. SAI, Sports Authority of India, forms a 6-member panel to prepare SOPs, that is a standard operating procedure, for phased resumption of training once the COVID-19 lockdown is lifted. Sports Authority of India, Headquarters Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Delhi. Sports Secretary cum Director General Sandeep Pradhan. Eminent historian Harishankar Vasudevan passes away. Grammy winning singer Betty Wright dies at 66. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow.